Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove picture from chart background in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to remove this picture background of this chart. Firstly, click the chart. Then right button, click on our mouse and go to format chart area, and we can see here selected the picture or texture fill. Now we want to remove this picture of this chart. Click the no fill option, then close the window. Now we can see here we remove the picture from this chart background very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.